Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by preparing materials and testing adhesion. Mix soil and water about 1-3 until muddy. You want a thin, gritty slurry. Apply with a stiff brush in short, irregular strokes close to the surface. This creates the first believable grime. Once done, dab with a sponge to soften streaks and avoid hard lines. Make sure to keep edges clean using tape. This maintains a natural transition rather than a deliberate border. Continue by layering for complexity. You add a small amount of darker dust to the mix to deepen shadows and repeat application in concentrated zones like corners. Use stippling with a stiff brush, light splatter from a flicked brush, and rub with a dry cloth to create worn paths. This mimics natural dirt accumulation. Once done, let each layer dry 10-20 minutes. This prevents muddy messes and lets you assess contrast before adding more, so you keep control over. Finish by stepping back and evening out any abrupt areas. You can blend edges with a damp sponge or very fine sandpaper for subtle transitions. If you want permanence, apply a matte clear coat once fully dry. This locks in texture without shine. If something goes wrong, don't panic. A vinegar and water wipe removes fresh soil, and small mistakes can be spot primed and repainted. Make sure to test fixes in a hidden area before treating the whole wall.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.